Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you pay for Spotify Premium using GCash. So before you actually go on with this procedure, you need to understand that GCash is not available in all the parts of this country, or GCash is not acceptable everywhere. So you have to check whether it is acceptable or not first of all. So launch open the Spotify application if you have already installed, and if you already have an account, you could then log into your account. And once you're logged in, it's going to directly take you to the homepage. So now that you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner, from the top left hand side corner of your screen. So basically what you need to do is click on premium from the bottom of the page and then click on try 1 month for $0. When you actually do it, so it's going to ask you to enter in the payment details. So you want to see whether Gcash is acceptable or not. So if you want to go with Spotify, click on continue, and this is going to take you to the checkout page where you need to go ahead and see whether Gcash is acceptable or not. Now here you could see credit card or debit card section. Try entering the following information of your Gcash account or your card, that is your card number and all that. So you could go ahead and enter it, check whether it's acceptable or not. If it is acceptable, you're lucky enough, you could go ahead and pay for it. Otherwise, you need to look for alternative options. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.